Okay. Hi, Alexandre.
Hi, Christophe.
How are you?
Fine, fine. What about you?
Yeah, doing great. Okay, here are a few questions for you for the coaching program.
Okay.
Um, the goal of this small video is to get more information about your feeling, about what you have learned during the coaching program, so that people that are interested get more information, are more knowledgeable, and can do an informed decision about joining us or not. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go. First of all, thank you for helping me with this coaching lesson. It was very nice for me because I started to invest my saving now 10 years ago. I tried crypto money. I tried to buy my own stocks, and it was pretty difficult to know what kind of stock I can buy, when I have to buy it, when I have to sell it. I was a little confused a bit, all this method and all this stuff. Uh, so yeah, when I started this lesson, this invest lessons, I wanted to make money thanks to the investment. And I was seeing on eToro, for example, some people doing 20% per year, 40% per year. It's a lot, and I was, fuck, I'm trying for more than 10 years, and each time, one time I'm earning money, one time I'm losing money. So the main goal of this lesson is to have a structure and to know what is the company I'm buying, to know exactly what is the structure of the company, what is the number of the company, uh, why this company will have an advantage against those competitors. And I was not taking time to hear about the company and to find deeper and deeper the real information about this. I was just watching some news, but I was not looking deeper, and that was the big problem. So first, it was very easy for me. Now it's more easy because I'm going deeper. I'm looking at the numbers. I know if they have debt or not debt, if they are making a big margin or not. And yeah, thanks to this structure now, I know how to select a nice stock.
A nice talk. Yeah, exactly. When you joined us for the coaching program, you didn't have a framework, a process, but now you know what to look for. You know the margins, you know if a business is profitable or not,
Yep,
what is important, what is not important, what is the debt level, cash level. So this was your goal. You wanted to analyze stocks. Is this stock good? Is this stock
or not.
bad? Basically, this is the goal.
As I told you when I joined the formation, I want to follow some guys who will do it for me, but I want to be sure that they have the good strategy and they know how to select a stock. So now, on it all, when I want to follow someone, I'm just checking all the stock one by one, and I will know exactly what this company will sell, what this company is doing. I know exactly the numbers. I know exactly if they are doing some margin, what is for the last 10 years, if they are grow or not, if they are making money or not, and if they are doing buybacks, if they are giving dividends. That is important also. And so yeah, now I know what I'm buying.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at you. You're an expert now on capital allocation, dividends, buybacks. Just for the viewers, Alexandre uses the eToro broker where you have copy trading. So you can copy other people's portfolio.
Yeah,
And before you were copying people, so you can see the portfolio of stocks, but you didn't know how to analyze the stocks. Why is this guy buying this stock? Now you
exactly.
know. It is what you mentioned of just watching somebody else's portfolio and watching the different lines, different stocks. Okay, now I see the value. Is this business good, bad, good, bad? Now you know how to see if a portfolio is good or bad, basically.
Yes, that's correct.
And the coaching program is a group. What did being in a group bring you to your learning experience? We have calls, weekly calls. Uh, was it helpful to you?
First, you can meet new people, and that's always nice to meet new people from everywhere in the world. That's funny, from Canada, from everywhere. And it was nice because thanks to that, I had new point of view about investing. I saw some people that are investing in different fields, they have different strategy. I saw some people that they are always looking for a new company, a new stock, sometimes very small stocks. And
Mm.
it was cool because I met people who are really passionate by stock, and it was cool because you feel the energy of the group
Yeah.
when you're speaking. When we made some analysis, some people were very passionate by stock, so it was a
Yeah.
good energy to work on it.
We have stock pickers, nerds in the group, geeks that like the numbers, that like to analyze the stocks. Uh, yeah, that's right. And uh, what would you say to somebody who hesitates to join the program? Maybe somebody has watched some videos on YouTube, is now on the page before booking a call, and somebody is hesitating to book a call and join us.
That's simple. If these guys want to earn money thanks to the stock market and want to know how to do it, how to have a method, how to have a structure, he has to do it, because without any information, we can try to find some stocks, and it's always difficult because I'm working, I don't have the time to learn and to select my stock. So, we want to earn money, or we want to earn how to make money thanks investment.
Mm.
It will be very helpful
Yeah.
because you will have the structure. We'll not tell him that this company it's gold. We never know that, and but you will give him the structure and the method how to invest
Yeah.
simply.
And that's a method that has worked in the past, a process of looking at the income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, and it will work in the future. I mean, this is not time restricted. This method of doing the fundamental work on a stock has worked for the past 50 years, will work for the next 50 years. So once you have learned the method, the process, it's done. It's that's it. You have the knowledge now.
Yeah, it's exactly because just before to join the lesson, I was looking for a company which is called Doc Morris. It's a pharma medical company which is selling it on by internet and all the communication about this company was good because in Switzerland they speak a lot about it, in Germany too, but I had never looked the numbers. And when I saw the numbers, I said, "Oh, fuck, this one is not good." And I didn't invest much. It was a bet. Now I know it's a bet. Maybe it will work. Maybe it will not work. But yeah,
Yeah.
I know that I will not make error like this one now in the future.
Yeah. Alexander is from Switzerland, so obviously we are biased from our home country. But yeah, Doc Morris, when we discussed it, we said, okay, this is a promising business. And we looked at the numbers, like they were earning money literally. So yeah, this is some stocks
Big debt.
to avoid with a lot of debt, with the adjustments, adjusted EBITDA, all the kind of stuff that we love. We love.
I never this kind of stock anymore.
Yeah, we don't like the adjustments of numbers. And so, how would you say has this program impacted your overall approach to investing, your plans for the future?
Now I know that if I want to get 20%, for example, per year, I need patience. I will not be. I will. Yeah, in 1 month, I know I will not made double of my investment. And first of all, you need patience, and you need to respect um, your um, your choice. If I'm choosing to invest in this company for this reason or for this reason, I know why I choose these guys or this company, and I have to even if it's decreasing, I need to be relaxed, to wait, and it will be good.
Yeah, be careful all the crypto scams you can get when we
Yeah,
receive message. You will double your money in 1 month. That's impossible. That's a scam.
that,
Just run away.
that is it's a bet like a casino. Sometimes you can make 1% of investment on this kind of investment, but not all your portfolio. That's important. And
Yeah.
I think the most important for me now in the for my investment, for my future investment, is just patience and to have my methods. I know how much I can invest each month, and I know what I want. So I'm just waiting and investing my money safe and relax.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, that's a good way for your wealth creation, for wealth compounding for your long term. You have it very clear. So that's great. Great. And what did you choose this coaching program instead of another one? There are other YouTubers about finance, or you have official certificates from Europe, from Switzerland. Why did you choose this coaching program?
First of all, it was a feeling because I saw your post on eToro, and say, yeah, why not? It's like it looked like the young guys who want to start his own business, and okay, maybe give him the opportunity to do it, and just yeah, we had a first call together, and when I discussed with you, when we talked together, I was, whoa, these guys know very well this subject, and I was, I'm sure he's passionate. It's not a question. He is passionate by stock market. He's doing all the day, and I think why I choose you, it was because of your knowledge and and you were passionate by stock markets. It was the true reason. But the first contact, it was a feeling about it on eToro. I say, okay, why not? Let's give him an opportunity to launch his own business.
Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Thank you for your trust. Yeah. So my next question is very easy for you. Be careful with the answer. Do you regret your decision to join the coaching program?
No, I can't say I regret. It's impossible to say that because now it's clear for me. I have my strategy. I know how to earn money thanks to my job, and now I know how to invest it.
Yeah, that's good.
For me, it was a good investment to do this training, this formation, because now I know what to do with my investment.
Yeah, perfect. I like how clear your path is. I mean, now you know you have a job, you will put aside some money,
Exactly.
you know how to invest properly,
Yeah.
not fall into the traps.
Yeah, I had a problem just before to do this formation. It was simple. I know how to earn money, a lot of money I can do, but I don't know what to do with this money. And I know that's the best way to be financial free. It's to invest this money. I mean, it's simple. There is two ways to earn money. I can invest my time to earn money, or I can invest my money to make money.
Yep.
And I want to have this situation, so I had to find how to do it. That's all.
Yeah. You find how to make money while you sleep. Basically, you find
Yeah,
money will make more money, and the compounding engine will work for you. And I mean, you have 30 years, 40 years, 50 years of investments ahead of you. So that's great. You will grow very rich, very wealthy.
I hope. I hope so.
That's the goal.
Now I hope it will work. Huh?
Yep. Oh, it will. It will. It will. I believe in you. I believe in you. You will make the right
Inshallah, they
decisions.
stayed in Egypt.
I'm sorry.
Inshallah, as they
Inshallah,
said,
as you said.
during
That's
my
the
last
good.
holiday.
Okay. Well, thank you for your time, Alexander,
You're
and
welcome,
for the
Christophe.
rest. I hope it was helpful to the audience.
Yeah, very nice. Thank you for you. Thank you for your help, and I hope I wish you the best for the future.
Thank you. You too.
Bye.